Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I am Dr. Vibha Pawar, and in today's session we're going to talk about different ways of manifestations or law of attractions. A very popular method of speeding up your manifestation or working on your law of attraction is something called as scripting. We all are aware about scripting. We must have done it some point or the other in our life. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the correct way of scripting and how it actually speeds up your manifestations. So let's start with the first method. So there are three ways of how you can do scripting. So the first method is a more traditional method, which is more followed method as well, that people just write everything that you want from the universe on a piece of paper, in a diary or on a single piece of paper, and then once you've written it, you have to hide it somewhere else where you cannot find it anymore. Okay, the entire idea of scripting is actually you write it down so that it gets registered in your subconscious mind, but then you also forget about it. The moment you forget about it is the time that you actually set the intentions up for universe so that the manifestations can start faster for you. So being said that, there is another way of doing so. Most of the time with the first method we already know what we have written and it keeps lingering in our head and we keep wondering when it is going to get manifested, when it is going to come to our way. So in the second method that I'm going to tell you, that's also a very effective method. Most of you must have already done it. Most of you must have been already aware about it. For people who don't know, this is a new method that you can follow. So the entire idea of having a secondary method of scripting is forgetting about it. Okay, the easiest way to forget about it is giving the task to somebody else. So the entire idea of second method of scripting is you write whatever you want to manifest in a very detailed format. Okay, so if you are expecting to manifest a dream job, okay, so you write as if your dream job offer letter is coming to your way. Okay, if you want to get recognized in your work, okay, so you write down so in such a way that you're getting recognitions. Okay, so it's basically the technique that your future self is going to tell your current self how he or she is feeling in that future. Okay, and you write all the scenarios in detail, as much detail as possible. Okay, that is the main part of scripting. You have to be as detailed as possible, and then you have to have a buddy in the second methodology that I'm telling you. You can't do it alone. You have to have one trusted buddy that you can actually hand over the letter to, and you have to tell the buddy that you can post this letter or you can email this letter or draft this message and send it over social media or any of the email platforms, because nobody nowadays believes in the post it. But if you want, you can ask them to courier the letter or post the letter or email the letter at a certain period of time, after a certain period of time, at his or her will. Okay, so there is absolutely no control from your end as to when that message will come, when the letter will come and everything. So once you get into that practice, what will happen is the moment that kind of a letter comes to you, okay, it actually puts you in a surprise mode. Remember that feeling when we are just clearing up our cupboards, old cupboards, and we suddenly see a memory, a photograph that comes our way, and we are like exhilarating feeling that comes and takes over because we live in that happy moment all together. That's the happiness that you have to catch for your manifestations to happen, and that is the way that scripting helps you catch that happiness or that emotion, so that your vibration actually matches with the universe, so that you can manifest everything so fast and quickly. So when you actually receive that information, that letter that you've been anticipating or you've been wanting to happen, you will, for a split second, you will feel that exhilarating feeling, and that feeling will set the intention very high up clearly and things starts rolling. So this is all about scripting. Thank you so much for being with me. In our next session, we will also talk about other ways of manifestation especially the water way of manifestation. That's another very famous technique. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.